Okay, you guys, I am back showing you the trade copying EA that I have up and running. It has been a month now, and I just wanted to show you that the account has almost doubled here. The deposit was $200, a rebate of $22, and we have a profit of $152.85. Okay, so pretty good. I'm going to show you the detailed statement as well with the equity curve like I did in the last video. You can also see here, if we go to the trades, that the equity is actually 415. So we do have a positive profit right now running at $31. So it has, it's about $5, $15, $20 away from doubling the account. So right now it is in EURUSD and also pound USD. And let's go into here and do the detailed report for you guys. Okay, and we'll scroll down to the very bottom here so you can see the equity curve. You can see that the gross profit is 205. Where are we looking here? We got the deposit is $222. Closed trade P&L is $152.85. Okay, floating P&L is $31.39, which gives us an equity, positive equity of $415, which is almost doubled the account here. So this has been running for a month now. The balance is currently at $384. So I just wanted to show you guys this equity curve. It's still doing really nice and looks really good. It's not choppy at all like some EAs that run. But it is an EA, so as long as it keeps performing decent, then I do highly recommend it. I'll do another update in a little bit. And I'm going to show the other account because I do have an account running the same EA on Mogafx. So to get started, if you're interested in trade copying with this EA, it's very simple. In the description, you'll have a step-by-step instructions on how to do it. You're going to open up an account with USGfx or Mogafx. Either one is fine. And then you're just going to load the account with a minimum of $200. I recommend $300 to $500. I think that's a respectable amount to start with. It's not too much and it's not too little. Some EAs require you to have 5,000, 10,000, 1,000 or 2,000. So yeah, you know, to start with $300 or $500 is a pretty low amount for trading Forex. And it's got some good performance here. For this EA, so I highly recommend it. After you've loaded your funds, you're going to connect with the account manager Jorcy via Telegram, and his handle is in the description as well. It's at Perfect Pips. So very simple. He's going to walk you through some of the forms that you do need to fill out after loading your account, and then he'll have the trade copying set up for you in the back office on his end. So very quick process to get you up and running. And like I said, it's been very good so far. This has been a month and it has almost doubled the account. So highly recommend it. You can check out the previous video if you like, or look in the description to sign up and get started this coming week. Talk to you guys later.